Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your device and account. Make sure your iPhone is logged into the Apple ID you want to use and that App Store region matches that Apple ID. Once installed, launch Efootball and locate the account or settings icon. This starts the link flow. You do this now because the app reads the Apple ID from system settings, so signing in first avoids mismatched saves or region errors. Follow prompts until you reach the option to connect to Apple Sign In. Next, focus on authorizing Apple ID in the app. Tap Sign In with Apple when the eFootball prompt appears. You will see the sign-in sheet. Choose to share or hide email, and double-check the Apple ID shown to avoid connecting the wrong account. Once you confirm, approve the request using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. This step grants the game permission to access the minimal account data it needs. Make sure to read the permission text so you understand what the app receives. Finally, complete the in-game profile setup and verify cloud save or account sync is enabled so your progress is retained. If eFootball asks to link a Konami ID or other third-party sign-in, connect it now to avoid future data loss. Once linked, test by restarting the app and confirming your profile loads. If something goes wrong, sign out and back into your Apple ID, restart the device, confirm Internet and App Store region match, and retry the sign-in with Apple Flow to resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.